Abakenya anene abagusinigo baburigo nyarakoba bagwetanga anene n'ababwatani beci kanisa abukerokende bakonyarako bakorandia amangana arema mincha nebuku ukwana ensemo ya mukubo omo chief gose omugambi oyogenderete ko bagosega kuyarigania ko ritayo yokorunga Samwel Omambia nigarure ekurate yuna kugania abantu litangani baranyarako bakora obotukibwa bene magaya barabugo esonania amone chikanisa nechidini echiane chikonyara kwa bachikwena na amegelio ayo ale mamincha nebuku omosaki oito Mildred Momanyi amona mangemono
magega yogokora egasiaye asabisi ya serikali buna omugambi omonene omukubo Samwel Omambia kurwa ewodi ya Magenche ebunge ya Bomachoge Borabu imeye county ya Kisii wono nigo omoyigabu kumwakira okwaeli okorekana ase skuru ya mukubo hasabasani na bayiri baikirana elio kumwakira mbiamono ase okubakolera egasi asigeka kiemyaka 34 asaganeirie aboro kiwa gukina ase sector yechisemi na kogenda ekanisa.
Today is my retirement ceremony ase mirimo yobogambi na akorera ase myaka 17 nabayono bwari muna akorera myaka 17. So my total time or period na akorera ase members of public ni myaka 34. So today gonna ikireri tuko ngoje wakangambia mono. I have seen a big number of people barure from far and near ngoje kongakira ngambia mono. Want to wish our Kisii community the best, more especially abana baito basome bantu baende chikanisa, and let us work smart. Kitotokore gasi yeito wherever kiro monta abekiru akore gasi erengia
nanche nabankura ne nyasaye nambia mono ikiagara otorendire nonya challenges tiarengororo yandedea lakini nyasaye otorendire paka toike irenga kiyega bono ngoteba ngomo bakatigache nkabuya na bali balese field bale gasi eyo nyasaye bakonye na barabu bakore buya.
And also he has been a community icon asense meiga engakienga twakore nere gasi iganje to womaine and are working.
Boigo nigo aganiria abagambi balia atiga magega amayana gwetanga kurwa ase amaki hasarwa ogokura amarwa gochegosirigwa asense meyo.
It has not been a very easy task, and I want to say abagambi balingo tiga magega, I want to wish them well. I have always tried to be a no-nonsense leader. I don't remember even one day, and I want this one to go into record, having taken even 10 shillings from a member of public. Anybody can do a free survey, and I want to encourage my colleagues na barabwe balingo tigamaega bate meokonyege sakukia mwanya bantu, more especially the issue of erased brew. I condemn it, and I condemn it to the bitter end.
Ase chinga kecho nigo agikeria egekore kyo kigendrete asenseme ya Shakahola ireime ya Kilifi ase kanisa ya Mackenzi asagania abantu kogenda chikanisa chindonge.
Recently we are realizing chikanisa unabone kanisa ya Mackenzi that has brought a lot of trauma in our country, in Kilifi. We want to say that let people go to church. I've been a church elder for now 18 years. Miaka 18 na baire mo liswe kanisa Kenya main SDA church. Asana chake tobo gambinde kanisa. And nta takoteba kamoranche mwensi pimuaje mukutano oyo. Tuona akorire mirimo yobo gambi ekiwango naye ikiri nta takoteba ngana sengenjo ya mirimo yo manene nyasa onkonyire.
Kuripoteria egetaseni kia Ndizi TV Litariane Mildred Momanyi.